riding in the rain, in the mountains, trying to survive, just living my life. Yeah, I'm living my life, riding out in the rain. I don't know where I'm going, but hey, I got a map and just saying I just heading out, heading west. I gotta get this feeling heavy off my chest. Yeah, just riding through the woods, through the fog, trying to get it through another state. Yeah, gonna have a dinner and a plate, gonna get going so I can catch the bank. No, I ain't robbing, I'm just trying to solve them, trying to get the treasury so I can just be rich. And I can be up on the horse, and I can travel with more loot and travel of course. You know I wanna ride free, I just wanna ride smooth, I just wanna ride like nobody do. I just gotta get the stride, I gotta live my life, gotta keep going. Yeah, my body paying the price, my body paying the price. It don't really feel very nice, but I know I gotta make it through, even though I gotta recover too. Yeah, I feel like a walking bank, even though that's what I think. I'm gonna keep searching for this treasure, and I just wanna be a walking bank, walking through the woods. Yeah, that's right, riding on the horse trail in the mountains like we could. If you don't wanna stop, yeah, we never should, but we are only human. Yeah, that's right, we want some more, want some more. We want some more. 473. Riding in